What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I'm very interested in exactly what sector is going to blow up for this specific altcoin season. We haven't seen altcoin season fly, but we know when we have an altcoin season that typically you see things like, let's say the metaverse sector, right? The metaverse sector will blow up. NFTs will blow up, right? That was last bull run. Yes, you're going to have some of those that still make moves, but what is the sector that's catching all of the attention, all of the fire, and building things like never before? It would be AI. And there are various projects that are out there that just claim that they're AI and don't actually do anything or have a proof of concept or anything like that. And then there are other projects like Morph AI that actually has proof on AI changing the world, leveling up your game, being able to create, being able to earn and make money and all that type of stuff from an AI project, and whether it's the cryptocurrency or the different services that they provide. So, like I said, incoming Morph AI. If you guys want to check them out, I will provide all of the links down below for their Twitter, for their website, for the chart that you guys need so that you can check out everything you want. You can do your own research. I highly recommend that you do your own research before you decide to buy it, because there's a lot to look into. And if you're interested in a lot of those use cases and a lot of things that they have to offer, you will get a lot from it. So Morph AI has about 5,000 followers on Twitter, and they are growing. But let's go and check out their website. Your imagination just leveled up. Building an AI influencer isn't easy. The global influencer marketing economy is valued at $45 billion, and it's only getting bigger. I know, I'm involved in it. We see it every single day. So about them, influencers are earning millions, but not everyone has the resources, time, or network to break into the scene. That is where Morph AI changes the rules. No cameras, editing teams, or expensive setups needed. Just your ideas and neural morph engine AI agents. So you can go and check out their video here. They have a whole breakdown of exactly what Morph AI brings, the kind of their marketing push to a lot of people there. So Morph AI agents, you have the creator AI. Your journey starts with Metamorph. This AI agent lets you design, customize, and manage your AI influencer, turning your vision into a unique digital icon. Vocal, the voice AI. Give your influencer a voice with a vocal morph. This AI agent turns your scripts into lifelike speech with precision and realism. And the swap AI. Take over the trend with face morph. This AI agent seamlessly swaps faces, making your influencer the highlight of any viral video. Their face, your strategy. Now this is interesting. One, because obviously I am a creator on YouTube. This brings a whole new dynamic to it, to where now you can see that people that don't really have as much time can find a way to manage their situation, be able to make a little bit more money online, be able to earn for themselves, and be able to create a community as well if they have something to teach. Not everybody has the amount of time that I would have in the beginning, or that others would have. And they're creating one video a month, and they're getting hundreds of thousands or millions of views. So being able to do that is a big deal. The Sync AI, say it flawlessly with Sync Morph. This AI agent aligns lip movements perfectly to your audio and text, making every video feel natural and authentic. The Manager AI got more than one influencer. Manage Morph is your go-to AI agent for organizing, tracking, and optimizing them all with ease. Your team, your control. And you can see how many things that they are doing here, right? You can go through all of it and say, this is amazing. Like, I can try it out, I can test it out. But not only are you looking at the different services that they are offering, right? So let me go ahead and
in the UK willing to work remotely.
let me turn this down just a little bit so you guys can hear me talk. Sorry, that kind of popped up very quickly. But basically, you can see here that they change the face. So you see how the face changes. You see over here, like if you scroll a little bit, you can see how their face changes once it goes in. So you can change their face. Same thing here. You have your Morph AI. You can change to a whole nother face and all of that stuff there, which is honestly interesting. It's very, very interesting, but it also threatens my job and my community here. But either way, as long as you're able to build your community, it's just now you can do it without having to jeopardize maybe your job, right? Because they don't know that it's you. You're doing it in a different setting. You're finding a way to do it in the background, whatever. And now you can put something out and teach people without your job going, oh, no, 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 no. You can't spend your time doing this. I know, I dealt with it, right? I went through literally 2+ years of trying to make sure my job didn't find out that I was working on YouTube. And when they did, it only took about 3 months. And then they were like, you know what? We got to get this guy out of here, because any decision that we end up making as he grows, it could end up backfiring on our company. And it's just not a good situation, right? The jobs don't want you to focus on any other income besides what they have there. If you're making more money over here, they're going to think you're not putting all of your effort in on that job. So now you can do it in the background and teach people what you want to teach, do what you love without fear of losing everything that you have worked for up until that point. You know what I mean? So this is a big deal to be able to have something like this, and they have their roadmap on here. If you guys want to go and check it out, feel free to do so. But let's take some time for the investment side of it to look into the chart, because I know that's what you guys want to see. You want to see exactly what the chart is doing. So Morph AI currently stands at a level of 10 cents. It's up by 57% on the last day. We're seeing it at a $10 million market cap with $220,000 worth of volume. So it is still early stages. You're not looking at a crazy amount of volume right now, but you do have the level to where you can see growth, right? You're at the beginning stages, is currently at 3,763 by market cap. So definitely at a lower market cap. And if it does end up blowing up with the AI narrative, the AI push in this altcoin season, you could see it, 10x, 100x, maybe even 1,000x or more, as you see AI that absolutely runs. There's only 100 million coins in circulating supply, so you know that this can get a lot higher price-wise. Currently at 10 cents. If this gets to $1, it's only at $100 million market cap. A value of $10 is $1 billion market cap. We look at the last 7 days. The last 7 days, it's down by 22%. The last month, it's down by 33%. And the last year, right, it's down by 33%. It's only been out for about a month, maybe a little over a month at this point. But you've seen some highs, you've seen some peaks, you've seen some valleys, which is great, meaning that you have an opportunity now to get in while it's currently at this valley here. So I want to know what you guys think, right? Currently, it's only available on Uniswap. So if you want to go and purchase it, go to Uniswap and you could swap out, ETH for, Morph AI. And you'll see more exchanges, obviously, in their roadmap. They're looking to launch on exchanges and go in different places. And their services are a big selling point as well. So if you guys are interested in this, I will provide all of the links down below for Morph AI. Feel free to check it out. Give it a look. If you like it, then you like it. If you don't, then you don't. I'm not going to be mad at you. If you don't like it, that's perfectly fine. But I want you guys to give it a solid look, because AI is definitely going to drive this altcoin season to a whole nother level. And to be able to see that you can, be a creator, be an influencer, and, not necessarily have to show who you are and know that you are safe behind the scenes is a big deal, right? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.